Hey, it's David Saddlemeyer, Century 21 Liberty, and I'm going to show you this grand renovation located at 1412 General Lee Avenue in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And this is located in the historic Haymount area, so you're close to downtown and the Segra Stadium and the mall in Fort Bragg. You can also walk to a playground, small park from here. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, check out my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. It's number 4. And you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. Permits were pulled for this remodel. And much of what you're seeing is brand new, including the roof there, windows, front porch. And we'll step inside and you can see the historic character of this property with the original hardwood floors. In the living room here with a fireplace and built-ins. We've got stairs to the second level. Some bedrooms here. First, let's look at the formal dining room. Everything's been freshly painted. Look at this magnificent kitchen. Here's a closer look. Granite counters, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, crown molding, laundry / pantry closet. And here's another angle. Display cabinet there. This is so attractive. And the bathrooms are just as pretty, with some tile on the floor and above the tub there. This is the first full bathroom. And a closer look. No detail has been missed for this remodel, that's for sure. And back to the living room again. First bedroom. You can see we have fans. Other than these original hardwoods, pretty much all the flooring is brand new. Second bedroom. And the owner's suite here with this door. And first we have to look at this bathroom. Love it. Lots of attractive tile work. Mosaic band there. Goes all the way up to the ceiling. Big tub. And the vanity. Everything matches perfectly. Very cool fixture there. And then the bedroom itself, with a small walk-in closet there. And here's the backyard, partially fenced in. Plenty of room. And some outside storage there. And this is a 1.5 story with another bedroom to the left. A third full bathroom. And more pretty tile work. And finally, a bonus room with lots of potential. It also includes a wet bar. Thanks so much for watching my tour. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town, or to have your property listed for sale on my channel as well. Hope you enjoyed the tour.